Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Sony ULT WEAR noise-canceling wireless headphones, a product built for sound enthusiasts and eco-conscious users alike. Inside, we have a USB-C cable for quick charging, a travel-friendly carry case, and of course the star of the show, the headphones themselves. With noise-canceling technology and built-in Alexa, you can immerse yourself in your world, effortlessly staying connected. Press the ULT button and feel the bass amplify, taking your listening to the next level. Designed for comfort, the thermo-foaming ear cushions adapt perfectly to your ears. And when you're on the move, the swivel-fold design makes packing easy. These headphones are more than just tech. They're a statement. Crafted with recycled materials and packaged without plastic, they're kind to the environment. Plus, with up to 30 hours of battery life and quick charging, you're always ready for more. That's the Sony ULT WEAR, a perfect mix of performance, comfort, and sustainability. Hit like and subscribe for more exciting unboxings. See you in the next video. Peace.